Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to do a multi-snap on Snapchat. This is the feature in which you can record multiple videos at once and then this will be sent in the form of one video. So open your Snapchat. On the right side of your screen, you can see this plus option. Click on it and a screen like this will pop up. Here you can see this option of director mode. Click on it. Now you can hold this button and record multiple snaps. And once you're done with recording, click on preview. And you can see here, this is how it is going to look. And this way you can even create your mini vlogs. You can simply customize them as well. You can also increase or decrease the length of the video. And you can also drag them to different positions. Like this, here you can see it. It's up to you however you want to edit this according to your preferences. As well as you can also add different kind of stickers and songs. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.